Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be going over these two rooms and the USAP section, error handling, and deprecated interface. These were pretty basic, pretty fun. First, web application security, very basic. That was this one. It's very easy, just kind of read through these. I did this a long time ago, so I honestly, let's see what's in here. Yeah, it's going over like encryption, practical example of web application security. Yeah, it's like talking about like guessable names. Yeah, that makes sense. Next one is the OWASP broken access control. Just a lot of reading, understanding how access control works, meaning like can you access certain web pages and files that you otherwise shouldn't be able to. You know, like just because I know there's this URL, I shouldn't be able to get to it. And different ways to verify authentication. And then they go over vertical and horizontal escalation. Deploy the machine. So, you register an account. Based on the screenshot displayed above, we can observe that upon completing the process, give answer JSON response, message first name, last name, dashboard.php. Yeah, there it is. Dashboard.php is admin equals false. You could alter that to is true. Oh, no, they just went up there. It's false. No, they changed it to true. Okay, yeah, so I was right. I could have swore yeah. Okay. So, once you start accessing that endpoint, once you get there, you're on the admin page and you can, disable admin access for another user, delete them, upgrade yours, stuff like that. Because the page gives out admin controls and admin power, even though you yourself aren't an admin. So that in itself makes it insecure. This is how you can mitigate it. Implement role-based, the has permission function. There's parameterized queries. Select from users where username and password. Example of secure query. So it does that, but the difference here is this section. Proper session management is based on... So every 1800, I believe this is going to be just like 1800 seconds, new session needs to be grabbed. Coding practices. Instead of a function like MD5 hash, how to securely hash a password using password hash. I think it's because it doesn't tell you what the hash is, I suppose. And check if this is still going to be an MD5 hash. One is insecure, one isn't, but is the bottom code still MD5 hash? Question mark. Let's give it to ChatGPT, see what they say. Yes, the bottom code using password hash does not produce an MD5 hash. It has a more secure, modern hashing algorithm such as bcrypt. By default, the password hash function is designed to create a cryptic... Okay, so it's bcrypt, which we have familiar with if you guys participate in the NCL. So the next one, just the conclusion. So close out of these and on to JuiceShop. First one was error handling. This was super easy. There's tons of ways to get this error to pop up. I just was like, what's an error that is really gonna mess with the server? So there, you can do this in like the REST FTP. I think it's like localhost 3000. And I think it's like REST FTP. I think it's like the other one that you can use to get it to access or something. What I did is all I need to do is open up the developer console. Did I not put the I didn't have an image in there, I guess. Well, it doesn't really matter. All I did is I opened up the developer console, like that. Okay, what is the developer console for this? I guess I can show you on another page. But essentially, open the developer console, and you go to the storage tab. Where's storage? Yeah, reads in memory. Nah. Oh, here it is. Okay, so it would be in your storage, and you got your cookies in here. Because this is a different web page, it's different, but essentially there's a token. It's literally just called like token. And all I did is I deleted like 8 characters and then reloaded. I mean, literally, if you delete one character, it'll break it. But yeah, I deleted like half the cookie that was used for my current active session, and then after that I reloaded the page, and at first nothing seems off except in the top like right of the corner, like up here where it normally had, you know, the name of the user you're logged into is just blank, and then once you click on it, you know, and it has like the drop down bar, kind of like this. It'll normally have your email here. It was just blank, but it would highlight like this, and I click it, and then it pops up the you know, error code, and from there you get the flag. After that, I wanted to try and get the deprecated interface, which was rather easy. All I did was I analyzed the main.js, where I was able to locate the following strings that said, you know, type file accept PDF, zip, Arial label, input area for uploading a single invoice PDF or XML B2B order file, or a zip archive containing multiple invoices or orders, X3C, blah, 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 blah. So what I then did is I was going to brute force like all the subdomains and look for that string, but since, you know, there's only like two places where you can upload files, which is your profile picture, which I was very confident wasn't going to be it, considering it's for, you know, B2B, business to business, not B2C, business to consumer. Still good on time. I figured it would be in the complaint forms. So in there, I just went down to the browse function and the inspect element, and I found that exact same string. So from there, I noticed that it was saying that it accepts PDF or zip, but it still had, you know, alt text indicating B2B, you know, for XML files. So from there, I just uploaded an XML document that had a, you know, fake extension at the end, you know, test.xml.zip. Then I submitted it while intercepting the request with burp. From there, I forwarded it to the repeater and altered the request file name to test.xml, which then forwarded the packet, which then, when forwarding the packet, you get the flag. It was pretty simple, pretty fun. I enjoyed it. I'm hoping next week we get to do the NFT ones, but yeah, that's it. Take care.